My name is Jose Lorenzaro. My age is 74. And February of 2018, I lost my driver license because my condition, the muscular dystrophy. And I went to the doctor, the specialist, and they told me had nothing to do for my eyes. I can't stand it with that and start looking for somebody who can take care of me. And I found Andy in the United States, and I took a ticket for Argentina and came to see him. After that, I went back in July. I went for my license back again, and I got it. So I got very happy. I here again in November to see Andy to keep improving with my eyes. So I got very happy. I recommend everybody else to my friends and anybody who have a eyes condition who can be treated for the medical field.